Welcome to Engage Math Pre-Algebra, Lesson 25, Problem 7, and we are being asked to find the area and the perimeter. So in order to do that, one thing we need to know is that if from here to here is a distance of 3, and we then know that from here to right, even with where that, if you kind of picture that line, this is also 3, and then we know that this is 7 because this is 7. Now, we also know from the top to the bottom is 20, and from here to here is 8. So that leaves us with 12 from here to here. Now, you might be thinking, well, that doesn't look like 12, but keep in mind that when you're doing these types of geometry problems, you cannot go by the way that the picture appears. You can't assume that everything is to scale. Okay, so let's now find the area. All right, the best way to do it is to divide it into two rectangles. So I'm going to first look at this rectangle, which we know has a width of 3 and a length of 20. So that blue portion, I'm just going to put it right here, is 60. I know it's square millimeters. We'll go back to that in a few minutes, but that's 60. And then this portion here, let's make it a different color. The green is going to be a 7 times a 12, and the 7 times 12 is going to give us 84. When we add 84 and 12 together, we're going to get our area is 144 square millimeters. Now we're ready for the perimeter. So let's kind of change the color for the perimeter and let's make everything just red. Okay, so we have a 3, we have a 20, we have a 3, a 7, a 12, a 7, and an 8 because the perimeter is the distance all the way around. So let's just write that down and then we'll add it all up. I'm going to start up here at the 3. So we're going to have 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 12. Plus, I'm going to add these two together and say plus 10 plus 20. All right, now we're going to add them all together. 30, 42, 49, 57 plus 3 gives us 60. And because it's perimeter, it's just millimeters, not square millimeters. And we're done. Thanks for joining us today at Engage Math.